Good morning. Oh my goodness. Sit. No, don't pee on that. No. Good boy. Good morning. It's Monday morning. Just waiting around. We're gonna return the rental car today. So we just woke up and we're just gonna take the car and head back this way. Take you along with me. And I'm going like this. I'm not getting out of the car. It's so cold. Yes, hello. So many people on there. Thank you. Thanks so much. Since we're obsessed with their sauces, David went back in to get more. But I have all the food right here. We got the goods. Just over here working and editing the vlogs so I can get them up for you guys. I'm hoping to get this one done the first day of Vlogmas and put it up. I don't know how these people do it on a daily basis, but I'm gonna try. And then I gotta go to the gym and then I go to the office. See you guys in a little bit. And these are the blue protecting glasses from the computer, whatever they're called. Blue lenses. I got them from Amazon. If I can find the link, I will link them down below. And this robe is also from Amazon. I live in this robe. Brewing a pot of coffee while I prepare some pumpkin spice whipped cream. 1/4 cup of erythritol. This is the powdered sugar. 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. I like the organic one. It whips a lot better. 3 tablespoons of pumpkin puree. 1 teaspoon of pumpkin spice seasoning. 2 tablespoons of the pumpkin spice sugar-free syrup, and 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Yes, hello. Halfway through, you want to stop and push down the things that are on the sides right there with one of those silicone spoons. At this point, it's ready, and you can add this to your coffee, your cake, whatever you want. So I know that I look like a mess, but pretty much this is the way that I look Monday through Friday. Unless I'm going to the office, which you'll see what I wear when I go to the office, because it's not much different than this. But we're gonna get ready and go to the gym, taking a break from work, going to the gym. I'm not on keto. You guys saw my Chick-fil-A. But I still want to make sure that I'm consistent with the gym, because if I fall off from the gym at all, I always feel like I lose my strength. I'm gonna get ready. I'll show you guys what I'm gonna wear and what is in my gym bag and what I use when I'm at the gym. I'll show you a little bit of my workout too, so let me get dressed real quick. Pretty much ready for the gym, so I'm gonna get the pre-workouts ready. I use the shaker bottles. This one's mine. And let me just grab the pre-workout. It's the one we use. 2 scoops. And now I'm just gonna add 12 ounces of water. And now you just shake it. See you guys at the gym.
You're contagious. Touch me, baby. Give me what you got. Sexy lady, drive me crazy. Drive me wild.
This is another day, but I wanted to show you guys, I use this sweatband and it really makes me sweat in the gym. Of course, you're not gonna lose weight without working out, but you get the picture. I use my Apple Watch as a timer for like HIIT workouts and warm-ups. Here's the gym bag that I use, and I got this off of Amazon. I really like it, holds a lot of stuff, and it has this pouch right here. I always have my water, I always have my towel, and then I have these weights. This is Amazon too, and these clip off. You can add different color weights on them and do arm workouts, back workouts. You can do all kinds of workouts with these. With the bands, the black one is the heaviest one, the blue one is the second heaviest, and the green is the lightest. I do really like these. They're very durable. They stretch pretty good, even though they give like such a good resistance for your legs. These are going to tone up your legs really, really good. They help you work out and build your glutes. I really like jump roping, so I always bring a jump rope with me to the gym. I like this bag because it has a couple different pouches. This holds my sunglasses and my keys. The other side is my chapstick, my headphones in this little pouch, and some antibacterial. This is pretty much how I always dress for the gym. And I sweat so much, so I have to cover my headphones like this. Now back to today's workout. This is pretty much all I captured. I'm just doing a few ab workouts here. Yes, salam. So we're back from the gym. I picked up Chipotle. Let me show you what we picked up. Some chips, bunch of salsas. Let me show you. Asked for 2, and I didn't notice that she had already put 2 of these in the bag. So when I looked in the bag, I asked for 2 more because I didn't see them. No wonder she was annoyed. But I mixed the hot with the pico, and I eat it with the chips. Also got 2 guacs, chicken bowl for my husband, well, double chicken for him, and I got regular chicken, and then the tortilla, can't forget that. Here it is. Before I dig in, I get rice, chicken, corn, pico, red salsa, sour cream, and cheese. Trying to finish editing this one so I can get it up for you guys. Hey guys, I took a break from editing to take a shower. I got in some comfy clothes, and I'm actually just going to head to the office for a little bit, do some work. It is after hours, so I don't have to worry about what I'm wearing, which is great. Just comfortable, wearing a little beanie because it is cold. And after the office, I will probably be back at editing. I don't think that I'm gonna be cooking tonight, which I was hoping to cook because I did take out that chicken yesterday that you guys saw. But I'm not gonna get around to it because I do have to edit day 2, which is today. I have to edit that today. It's just hard to like get day 1 uploaded on day 1. That's what I'm having trouble with. It's just like finding the time to edit and upload the video the same day. But I'm gonna catch up. I'm going to do it. This is fun. I have a good time doing it. I love editing and doing different types of things, so I'm out of breath. And my nose is super, super dry, so if you see something, it is not a booger. I'm just dry because of the winter season. It's cold outside. And I immediately start to get ashy and dry. But anyway, I'm gonna head to the office and get some work done, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. My coworker got down today with the Christmas decor. She's always in charge of the decor because she has such good taste. I don't know how we ended up here, but this is my husband's favorite place. We always get the horchata frap, and I also get the tres leche muffin. This place is fire, especially with the muffin warmed up. Trust me, make sure you get it. That's pretty much it. We headed home and called it a night. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell so you're notified of when these videos are going up, and thank you so much for watching.